10 cabins. They are 110 a night. They are fully stocked. All you need to bring are your clothes and your food. We went into cabin 1 earlier. It is awesome.
Okay guys,
They are vaulted.
this is Fred again. We're here at Silver Spring State Park in Florida, and we're inside one of their cabins. This thing is nice, guys. It's cabin 1. You got a fireplace, couch, chairs.
2 times 2 years in a row, never happened in history.
Oh my gosh, this place is so nice, guys. There's 2 single beds in 1 room.
And we found that the rangers of state parks are some of the nicest people.
This
That's
place,
what we tried, that's what we're all
We've
about.
This
had
is
issues
nice,
when we
guys.
pull up to a state park, like our code said, forgot
you have a porch
stuff,
out front,
and rangers always help us.
a wraparound porch.
That's what we're all about.
Really nice. Here's the kitchen.
So they come with linens.
Everything you need except for food and soap.
So
Okay,
it comes
they have
with,
dishes and pots and pans.
the ranger said it comes with everything but your food and your clothes. There's a little pantry.
Wow.
You got your,
Give me a tea pitcher
Yeah, that's
and a
good.
casserole dish.
you got your
And a ceiling
kitchen.
fan.
You got your kitchen, ceiling fan. You got all your dishes. You even get dish soap, guys. Come on.
Everything in modern
This
dishes.
place is nice. Dishes, microwave. This place is awesome. And how much is it per night, did we say?
110? Is it
There's another
110?
bedroom
Now,
with access out to the porch.
are y'all pretty much full?
You have a closet.
And are you subject to the 2-week stay?
Turn the light on. There. Is that better, guys? What do you think? This is awesome. Yep. So you got to book ahead. They're very popular. Here's a bathroom. There's the bathroom, guys. There I am.
We've talked to some
Hey, guys.
that were camping, you know, and they say they've got.
Here's some linens, towels. Got your bathrooms, your toilet area and shower. How cool is this, guys?
As a Florida resident.
How cool is this?
Well, anybody, it doesn't, it's
Yeah.
not just Florida residents, and it's just because our park service is very busy.
Now we're going outside. I never knew Silver Springs had cabins till I saw a cabin loop. So this is the going walking around the side on the walking porch. It's all screened in, so no bugs. There's the access into that 1 bedroom. You come back here. You have a screen. You step back here. Got all this privacy back here. You got a grill. Ooh, fire pit area. How cool is this? I'm sorry, this is so neat. I'm just amazed how nice these are for $110 a night. Come on, guys. Okay, guys. So that's a tour of cabin 1, and that's at Silver Spring State Park in Florida, and it's right outside Ocala. And also, there will be a very important question at the end of this video, so make sure you watch the whole video. No cheating, okay? Alright, I'm going to hand you back to my wife.
Okay, so the cabins have 2 twin beds, a queen bed, I think it's a pull-out couch. They have a fully enclosed little porch. They have all of your linens. They have your pots and pans and plates and dishes and forks and a tea pitcher and a casserole dish. And the porches are screened and enclosed. Lots of parking. And they said, the ranger told us that they keep cabin 1 open, so if there is an issue with one of the other cabins, let's say it got struck by lightning, and the power went out or water went out or whatever, they keep cabin 1 open so they can move a family into that one and they can continue their vacation uninterrupted, which is really, really cool.
And behind each cabin, if you can hear me, there is a fire pit, not a fire ring, there's a fire pit with seats around it, and a grill.
Okay, fire pit and grill behind each cabin.
Really cool.
Yep. So, they have 10 of these, 9 of which they will fill up. And he said that they stay full. If you want to book the cabins, it's on Reserve America. Yeah, he said they do get a lot of people from Europe, Great Britain, Germany. He said Eastern European countries, Japanese. So anyways, that's the cabins. Stay tuned for the important question. One last cabin.